Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another new brand video. Today, I'm going to show you something new that many of you often get wrong. When we upload a canvas through Customily, our canvas personalization appears like this, without any background behind it. So first of all, we'll set up the design in Customily. Then, we'll set up the product's edit options. Then, we'll apply the design to the product. When positioning the design on the product, make sure it is properly aligned with the red border. Save product image and publish. Now go to Template. Since we selected 3 different product sizes, we can see 3 templates here. We need to open all 3 templates at the same time so that the templates don't get mixed up. If design is positioned properly, we can move on to the next step. Turn off the mask and then product color option. Upload the background you want to display on the canvas as the product background. Now, you can position the canvas beautifully wherever you want it to appear on the background. If the canvas is positioned properly, click Done. And next, save it. Now, we need to adjust the remaining 2 sizes in the same way. If we see our upload product online and personalize the product, you'll see that it now displays with a beautiful Your background.